Now that is especially true when it comes to health care. Senator McCain and I have real differences on this issue. Senator McCain's been eager to share some of the details of his health care plan, but not all of them. It's like those ads for prescription drugs. You know, they start off, everybody's running in the fields and everybody's happy, and then there's a little fine print that says, you know, side effects may include. Now, first of all, we found out that Senator McCain wants to pay for his plan by taxing your health care benefits for the first time in history. Just like George Bush. That was bad enough. But the Wall Street Journal recently reported that it was actually worse than we thought. It turns out Senator McCain would pay for part of his plan by making drastic cuts in Medicare. $882 billion worth. $882 billion in Medicare cuts to pay for an ill-conceived, badly thought-through health care plan that won't provide more health care to people, even though Medicare is already facing a looming shortfall. Now, this should come as no surprise. It's entirely consistent with Senator McCain's record during his 26 years in Congress, where time and again he's opposed Medicare. In fact, Senator McCain has voted against protecting Medicare 40 times. 40 times he's failed to stand up for Medicare. So what would Senator McCain's cuts mean for Medicare at a time when more and more Americans are relying on it? It would mean a cut of more than 20% in Medicare benefits next year. If you count on Medicare, it would mean fewer places to get care and less freedom to choose your own doctors. You'll pay more for your drugs. You'll receive fewer services. You'll get lower quality care. I don't think that's right. In fact, it ain't right. When you've worked hard your whole life and pay into the system and done everything right, you shouldn't have the carpet pulled out from under you when you least expect it and can least afford it. Health care, it ain't right. Health care shouldn't be some kind of either-or trade-off where our seniors get left out in the cold. It ain't right. I think every single American has a right to affordable, accessible health care. So we can strengthen Medicare by eliminating wasteful subsidies to big HMOs in Medicare, making sure seniors can access home-based care, letting Medicare negotiate with drug companies for cheaper prices on their drugs. That's the kind of change we need. So in the end, Senator McCain can keep trying to attack me and distract you, but it's not going to work. Not this time. Not now. Because while John McCain thinks this campaign's all about me, the truth is the campaign's about you. It's about your jobs. It's about your health care. It's about your retirement. It's about your children's future. That's what this election's about. That's what I'm fighting for. I can take 3 more weeks of attacks from John McCain. America can't take 4 more years of the same failed policies. That's why I'm running for President of the United States of America.